Hello there, and welcome to Kilt and Cocktail. I'm your host, Sean, and today we are going to be making my favorite shot. I don't normally do shots, but today we are. What this shot is, it's a lemon drop shot. So, you're going to need some ice for this. Take a handful of ice. Put it in a tin like that. It's going to be great. Now, this shot is a standard shot size in the glass, but it's not a standard shot size of alcohol. So this is a nice low ABV shot if you're just starting the night, or you woke up from a nap, or you're just about to go to a nap, or you're just ending the night and you want one more, but you don't want to hurt yourself. So, we're going to need some vodka. I would recommend, for the shot, it's all equal parts, so it doesn't really matter what you do. It depends on whether you want to drink, you want to do multiple pours. We're going to do half ounces today. We're going to do full half ounces. No, a full half ounce? That's maddening! That's so much. No, it's really not. It's less than a standard shot. It's a third of a standard shot. Excellent. That's great. Be aware of dilution with this. The next thing you're going to need is just a good 1 part water, 1 part sugar, simple syrup. And we're going to do the same amount, which is going to be 0.5 ounces. God, I wish everything that I had didn't pour so gosh darn fast. Pouring 0.5 ounces is hard, okay? Also, there's fruit flies. I know, but doesn't happen when you eat a lot of fruit. This household does. So, to bother you, I'm sorry, but they can be helped. Okay, 0.5 ounces of simple syrup. It's going to be great. And half an ounce of simple syrup. Now I'm just going to shake this. Hit it. Crack it open. Swirl it around just a little bit. And straight into our shot glass. This is very much in line with so if you want my humblest, honest opinion, this is very much in line with a daiquiri, or a gimlet, because it's the same ratio. The only difference is you're switching out your spirit. You're using a lemon instead of a lime, but still 1 part citrus, 1 part simple syrup, 1 part spirit. So yeah, same idea as a gimlet. It's the same idea as a daiquiri. So this could easily be another pirate drink, but it probably isn't. Why? Always the drink. Now you could do this a different way. You could do 2 parts lemon vodka, 1 part simple, but then it's just going to taste awful. And not because lemon vodka is awful, even though, oh, but yeah. Also, vodka is starting to earn a place in my heart. So yes, that's a good thing. So like, comment, share, subscribe, all that junk. But also, enjoy. And I'll see you guys on the next episode of Kilt and Cocktail.